Have you ever tried planting, but your plants ended up weak, yellow, or just died too soon? The secret isn't always about fertilizer. It's often hidden in the potting mix itself. Today, I'll show you my favorite soil mix. Simple, organic, and perfect for almost any plant. You only need 3 basic ingredients. First, loose garden soil. Second, fermented rice husk. And third, fermented goat manure. That's it. Let's mix them the right way. Start with 1 part of loose, healthy soil. This is where your roots will breathe. Add 1 part of fermented rice husk. It keeps the mix airy and helps drain excess water. Then, 1 part of fermented goat manure, a natural nutrient booster for strong plant growth. Mix them well until everything blends evenly. The texture should feel light, but still hold a little moisture when squeezed. That's your perfect base for planting. Now, fill your pot with the mix. Press it gently, but don't make it too tight. You can use this blend for tomatoes, chilies, or herbs. For example, here I'm planting tomato seedlings. See how the roots spread easily through the soil? This same mix works great for leafy greens like water spinach, or even for strawberries and pandan plants. It's a simple blend that fits all, from fruiting plants to leafy greens and decorative herbs. So, that's how you make a simple but powerful potting mix at home. The key is balance. Soil, husk, and organic fertilizer in harmony. When the mix is right, roots can breathe, water flows smoothly, and nutrients spread evenly. Don't forget to subscribe to Ngebon at Ngebon for more easy gardening tips and natural growing ideas. Green greetings and happy gardening. Salam hijau, salam Ngebon.